Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Daniel once again. Today we are going to do a new exercise. When I am in my bedroom, I cannot hear this call bell of mine. Now when the call bell is working, what do you want to do? You just take it and throw it because I can't hear it. So I said let it be till that, till such time and see what happens. So when I'm in the bedroom, you can't hear the call bell. This is the ding dong bell, electronic bell. So finally the call bell gave away about 4-5 days ago. I said I'm not going to buy another ding dong bell. I'm going to buy this is bell. This is the bell. Bell has gone bad. So I decided to get a bell which you have in school, those round gongs with a hammer on the side. I said that would be good. Now whoever is sleeping in the house, if they have to get disturbed, they get disturbed. As long as, if not, you have people who are saying, sir, I came but your bell was not working, nobody was opening the door, so I bought this big bell. So let's unbox it. It just come today from Amazon and I will fit it today. I've got all my tools ready. I was waiting for it eagerly because every time somebody had to come, they had to call. I had to make sure that I give my number to them. That in case you come, you'll have to give me a call. This is the bell. Oh God, how much packing they put. There we go. Oh my God. This will wake up the whole colony. Okay, now I'll fit it and I'll come back to you. Okay, please hold till then. So there's my doorbell, it's fitted, the gong one. Now hear the sound. How is that? Quick job, na? In 2 minutes, bell has been replaced. All the headache is finished. Okay. If ever you want to buy this bell, especially people with old people in the house, parents and all who can't hear, must install these bells. They are known as gong bells, and you'll get it on Amazon. It is available in big cities in Delhi and Gurgaon. It's available in the market, but I couldn't find it here in Goa, so I got this from Amazon. Okay, till then, bye bye, see you.